Let's test out this Dewalt USB cord here. So this is a 4-foot 1.2 meters USB cord here. Let's see if this actually works. Got this at Runnings yesterday for like $9, $6.99 or something. I already got a USB cord for my phone that works pretty good, but I'm going to test this out on my tablet here. I turned it off. So this is the other USB cord right here. This is like the dollar store. That was like the dollar store brand USB cord. So I got it onto my phone, or my, well, this is technically a phone charger. It's phone charger and USB and tablet chargers are basically the same thing. As you can see, Family Guy's playing in the background. Well, doesn't fit for my tablet, but it does fit for my phone. So I'm going to use this for my phone. It's on 100% right now, so it doesn't need to be charged right now, but I'm going to use the other USB cord for my tablet. That also doesn't fit. I thought that because it was Samsung, it would be the same charging device, but I guess I was wrong. This does fit for my phone, though, but it doesn't fit for my tablet, unfortunately. So this does work for a phone, but like I said, my phone's at 100%, so I don't need to charge it right now. So it does work for my phone. I tested it on my phone, but unfortunately, it doesn't work for my tablet. But this does reach pretty far. So if I'm in my bed and I want to charge my phone, I can charge it. So it does reach pretty far. So that's pretty cool. So thanks for watching.